Trainee constable dies after collapsing at police training facility. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A trainee constable collapsed and died on Tuesday morning at the Tranquility Bay Training Center in St. Elizabeth. The deceased has been identified as 35-year-old Desmond Thompson, a former district constable who was serving as the driver to the chief chaplain. He was undergoing training to officially join the ranks of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. According to reports, Thompson collapsed around 7:30 a.m. while returning to the barracks following a physical exercise session. First aid was administered on site before he was transported to the Black River Hospital, where he was pronounced dead. The circumstances surrounding his death is under investigation. The police high command has since expressed condolences to his family and colleagues. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.